press the bell icon for all the updates.
पूछेगा कुछ? Well, very exciting. I mean, ये एक छोटी पिक्चर है, एक बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है. You know, I'm very proud that we did it. अक्षत ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई, सब एक्टर्स ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. लेकिन जिन लोगों ने देखी है, उन्होंने मैसेज किया और बहुत अच्छे मैसेजेस आए, तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोगों को अच्छी लगेगी. So I don't know. I think the idea is, you know, to try and do different things. I'm lucky that I got offered some nice scripts with some good directors. So this is a film I'm very proud of. I think if you can mix it up, it's a nice thing. Okay.
Duration, why the less is duration?
What?
1 hour.
Yes.
What's the reason?
Well, I don't know. I think some stories need long time to tell. Some stories need a shorter time to tell. I just hope people like it. It was good fun working on it. Yeah. Promotional deal?
Yeah, endorsement deal.
No. If I get offered one, I'll take it. Yes, I'm open. You'd have to pay me though, lots.
A toy deal was offered apparently.
Yeah, it depends on which toy.
Sir, Kala Kandi means actually what exactly try like normally when it's what does really come in your mind like? Like Kala Kandi is a very
Kala Kandi means like garbad, you know, like everything going wrong. That's what it means.
There is a biggest clash in a Bollywood like Batman and Padmavati releasing together. So which movie you like to watch first?
God, that's a tricky question. I think I'm quite keen to see, if I was given a choice, Padmavati first. All right, thanks. I don't think so today. Sorry, thank you.
Thank you.
Is that all right? This is
सर सामने या सेंटर से यार सर राइट तो यहां पे सर इधर देखो सर लेफ्ट साइड सर इधर
तो दीपक सर ने की बात की तो काफी ऐसा जितने गेस्ट आए बहुत पसंद करना
अरे
अच्छा लगता है ये सब
यार बहुत बढ़िया और बैक टू बैक हर साल एक कुछ अच्छा काम आ रहा है जिसकी लोग तारीफ़ कर रहे हैं, लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है. एज एन एक्टर आपको एक्सेप्ट कर रही है इंडस्ट्री और दुनिया, तो बहुत मज़ेदार है और अलग अलग किस्म के किरदार करने का मौका मिल रहा है और आप सबका प्यार है, बस मज़ा है. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Hi, Deepak Duggal. Please wear helmet while riding. Welcome. Okay. ये देखिए इसके लिए.
दीपक जी फोटो करके सर यहाँ से लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करिए फोटो सर ये दीपक जी यहाँ पे
हो जाएगा if it 80% the edit is done, this has to be put in. Bye.
कुणाल यहाँ राइट में कुणाल सर इधर टर्न लो कुणाल यहाँ पे कुणाल सर राइट सर सामने सर ये आ जाओ
रुकें.
एक्साइटेड है, नर्वस हैं, पर कॉन्फिडेंट भी है क्योंकि कल मैंने फिल्म देखी है और बहुत ही अनएक्सपेक्टेड था. जो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी उससे काफ़ी उससे उससे अच्छी जब फिल्म निकल आती है तो बहुत खुशी होती है और वो अक्षत हैज़ मैनेज टू अचीव दैट, सो वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द फिल्म एंड जस्ट हैप्पी दैट ऑडियंसेस आर गोइंग टू गेट टू सी इट इन थिएटर्स.
Yesterday your brother is very like your character in this game.
Yeah. I don't know about that. मेरी बहुत एक subtle performance है. I would say it's like a very quiet performance. इसमें I mean the performance that Saif has given is probably a career-defining performance, and everyone, Deepak, Vijay, सबकी performances are at a different level, and I think just audiences are going to really, really enjoy the film. Thank you.
सर सामने, अक्षर सर सामने, अक्षर सर
बेटा तुम लोग उधर तो जाओ, एक जगह पकड़ो.
बहुत एक्साइटेड है, बहुत ही अलग ट्रेलर था. इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग और आई रियली लाइक द ह्यूमर. अक्षत ने पहले डेली बेली की थी. आई लाइक हिज द वे ही राइट्स हिज डायलॉग्स एंड हिज स्टोरीज आर आल्सो वैकी एंड इट्स ग्रेट टू सी भाई डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस. तो हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है फिल्म को लेकर.
आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई लव द प्रोमो. आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग द फिल्म. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है, बहुत ही अलग किस्म की फिल्म लगती है एंड आई थिंक इट्स गॉट अ बंच ऑफ वेरी टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स.
देखिए इंटेंट तो यही है कि हम बनाना चाहते हैं क्योंकि लोगों को भी पसंद आई थी. हमें खुद इतना मज़ा आया था उस फिल्म को बनाने में. लेकिन डेट्स और कब शुरू होगी वो उस बात पे अभी क्लैरिटी है नहीं. आई थिंक सैफ आ रहे हैं, आप उन्हीं से पूछ लीजिए. मुझे या I don't even know. For the longest time, I couldn't pronounce it. I didn't know what it meant. I still don't know what it means.
I think it means like Kala Kandi, maybe like bad things that people do. Like
maybe, I mean, yeah, Kandi is like...
Yeah. I think it's something like that.
The new slang.
But it's very interesting.
What about the look actually? You can really make it out like what exactly...
It looks like a mad film, right? It looks like a mad film and that's what the poster is. I really love the poster. I think it's really cool.
I love the rubber bands in the hair.
How are you looking forward to those 18 actually? New members come actually.
That's how we put rubber bands for her right now.
I know, that's how we dress in Aya. I'm going to borrow those rubber bands. 2017 has been very special for us for so many reasons, most important being in Aya. So we look forward to her growing up fast and spending more time with us, becoming more interactive, responsive. So 2018 will be fantastic. Thank you all. Thank you.
Both actually. I think they're both lovely films. One is great scale, one is a great social film, and I would want to watch both of them.
We have to watch both.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stand here for the visual, both of them. Camera. Thank you.
I don't know. I'm seeing it today and I'm actually really excited because the trailers have been really good, the songs are really good, and it looks like insane. So yeah. Yeah, so I just finished Leena Yadav's Rajma Chawal and now I'm going back to Hyderabad because I have a South release as well, and now I'm here for this. So yeah, thank you.
What that come in your mind actually?
So I was there while we shot this song and I died because this is nuts. It's a really crazy film and but it's funny and you can relate to it. So yeah, thank you guys.
Stand up for the visual. Camera.
Hi. I'm expecting a very, very different film, as we all know that it's looking very exciting, very edgy, and you know, these are the kind of films that we get to see very few of them, and I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Sorry? Where did? Oh, that.
Yeah.
I think they're both fantastic, yeah. Like, I've always been an Akshay fan for the longest time. But right now, I think Ranveer is one of the finest actors that we have in the country. So, both of them. I'm a Rajput, so I think I'll go and watch Padmavati.
So, what I would say about, he's a very fine actor. He always tries something very unusual.
Yes. That's what I love about Saif. And yes, I think Saif, right from the beginning of his career, even when he did Dil Chahta Hai and then he did Ek Hasina Thi, he's always experimented, and I think he is one of the actors who are very responsible for changing the Indian cinema. So I always look forward to Saif's films, and I think this poster is fantastic. I mean, very few, I think, mainstream actors, heroes would have the guts to do something like this. And I think he's just living up to his reputation, and I'm sure he's done a fantastic job. I don't know. That's what I'm going inside to figure out what it is, because I just know that I'm here to watch a very interesting film, and of course the director is a very talented director, so I'm sure it'll be great. Thank you.
Stand here for the visual camera.
Okay. I'm not wearing anything special. It's very